Dominica truly is a paradise on earth. Lush rainforests, hidden waterfalls, and beaches that look like they've been painted. This island nation is a dream destination for travelers from all corners of the globe. But Dominica isn't just about stunning scenery, it's also a place with a rich culture, friendly people, and big ambitions for the future. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into Dominica's plans to chart a course towards prosperity. Now, you might have noticed the title of this video, How Dominica Plans to Get Rich at All Cost. Let's be honest, that does grab your attention, doesn't it? But hold on, before you start picturing Scrooge McDuck swimming in a vault of money, let me clarify, we're not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme here. Dominica's vision for the future is all about sustainable and realistic economic growth. They want to build a thriving economy that benefits everyone while still protecting the very things that make this island so special. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore the exciting strategies Dominica is putting in place to secure a bright future. Dominica's current economic landscape. Dominica's economy is fueled by ecotourism, which leverages the island's natural beauty to attract tourists who enjoy nature and sustainability. Dominica offers a unique experience with rainforests, volcanic landscapes, and hot springs. This focus on ecotourism helps the environment and the economy. Dominica's agricultural sector has traditionally been based on bananas, but the island is diversifying its products. Farmers are now planting cocoa and spices, lowering the danger of economic disruption caused by banana production challenges. However, Dominica has obstacles such as hurricanes, reliance on imported goods, and undeveloped infrastructure. These obstacles can stifle economic progress, but we'll look at Dominica's solutions in the next section. Dominica's strategies for growth. Let's delve into Dominica's exciting plans to become a beacon of sustainable and prosperous growth in the Caribbean. We'll explore 4 key strategies that aim to transform the island's economy. Ecotourism Expansion. Dominica is not interested in mass tourism. Their goal is to become a leader in ecotourism, attracting high-value visitors who enjoy the island's pure natural beauty. This implies a high emphasis on sustainable activities. Consider magnificent cottages created from eco-friendly materials and tucked inside the rainforest canopy. Tourists can enjoy the beauty of Waitukubuli National Park on guided walks supervised by local experts, ensuring that their environmental impact is low. Dominica also acknowledges the importance of cultural immersion. Tourists will not only come for the scenery, but also to experience the pulsating core of Dominican culture. Programs may include studying traditional crafts from craftsmen, taking cooking workshops that highlight local cuisine, or even attending vivid cultural festivals filled with music and dancing. This not only improves the visitor experience, but it also provides a crucial source of cash to local communities. Agricultural diversification. Bananas have long been a staple of Dominica's agriculture, but the island is looking toward a more diverse future. Dominica has rich volcanic soil, which is ideal for growing a greater variety of high-value crops. Cocoa, with its rich, diverse flavors, is an excellent example. Imagine locally produced Dominican chocolate on shop shelves all around the world. Spice cultivation is another promising area of development. The island's environment is suitable for cultivating nutmeg, cinnamon, and other spices that can be used in cooking or to make aromatic essential oils. Dominica is also embracing agricultural technology developments. Hydroponic and greenhouse farming are growing more popular. These approaches increase yields, utilize less water, and permit year-round cultivation, making Dominica less reliant on traditional seasonal harvests. Imagine lush greenhouses filled with vibrant fruits and vegetables, a testament to Dominica's commitment to innovation and food security. Digital Nomad Hub. Dominica recognizes the rise of virtual employment and is actively recruiting digital nomads. The government is providing special work visas that will allow remote workers to live and work on the island. This is a win-win scenario. Remote workers can enjoy the beautiful surroundings, easygoing lifestyle, and welcoming Dominican culture, while also contributing to the local economy by renting flats, using co-working spaces, and visiting restaurants and shops. The potential benefits are immense. Dominica may attract a competent and technologically savvy populace, producing an innovative and entrepreneurial culture. This flood of talent can also revive local firms and open up new avenues for collaboration. Imagine bustling co-working spaces, a hub for digital companies and foreign freelancers, all bathing in the Caribbean sun. Geothermal energy powerhouse. Dominica is located on top of a rich source of geothermal energy, which is natural heat from the Earth's core. This is a wonderful potential for the island. Dominica intends to use geothermal power to generate clean, renewable electricity. Imagine plumes of steam rising from geothermal wells, feeding turbines that generate enough power to meet Dominica's internal demands, as well as export to neighboring islands. This move to geothermal energy has two advantages. It lessens Dominica's dependency on imported fossil fuels, resulting in cost savings and a lower carbon footprint. The cash earned by exporting electricity may be reinvested in infrastructure development and social activities, propelling Dominica into a safe and sustainable future. By tapping into the Earth's core, Dominica can truly become a powerhouse, not just in terms of energy, but also in its commitment to environmental responsibility. Challenges and considerations. The looming threat of climate change. Dominica's spectacular natural beauty is its most valuable asset, yet it is also vulnerable. Rising sea levels, more powerful hurricanes, and unpredictable weather patterns all endanger the island's infrastructure, agriculture, and tourism industries. The government is continuously looking for solutions to mitigate these dangers. They are investing in climate-resilient infrastructure, early warning systems, and sustainable farming techniques. Attracting investment can be tough. Dominica, like many tiny island states, experiences difficulties attracting large-scale investment. Investors may be apprehensive because of the island's size, remoteness, and susceptibility to natural calamities. To counteract this, Dominica has implemented investment incentive programs. These programs provide tax benefits, reduced bureaucracy, and support services to entrepreneurs looking to set up shop on the island. Finding the right skills for the job. Dominica is experiencing a skilled worker shortage in several areas. This might impede the growth of new industries or the extension of established ones. To close this gap, the government is prioritizing vocational training programs and educational activities. They are also considering measures to attract skilled individuals from other countries, such as expedited work visa processes or university alliances. The road to a prosperous Dominica. Sustainable growth is key. Dominica is aware that real success depends on striking a balance between environmental preservation and economic growth. Regarding sustainable techniques, the island leads the Caribbean. To reduce the negative effects on the environment, they have put in place a stringent geothermal energy exploration strategy. Dominica has also prioritized ecotourism, making sure that visitor activities leave as little of an imprint on the island's fragile ecosystems as possible. Commitment to responsible development. One pillar of the Dominican Republic's economic plan is responsible development. This entails giving local communities welfare and long-term value projects first priority. They aggressively encourage fair trade methods in the agriculture industry and include local stakeholders in decision-making processes. Success stories are emerging. There are already some positive examples of Dominica's improvement. The Way to Kabuli National Trail, a network of trekking pathways that wind through the island's breathtaking rainforests, has become a popular ecotourism destination. This project not only generates cash, but it also provides work for local guides and porters. Furthermore, Dominica's geothermal energy program has successfully reduced its reliance on fossil fuels, allowing the country to export renewable energy to neighboring islands. Dominica's journey to prosperity will not be simple, but with a focus on sustainability, responsible growth, and inventive solutions, this beautiful island nation is on track for a brighter future. Dominica's path to a bright future is paved with innovation, responsibility, and a deep respect for its natural beauty. Will they succeed? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, Dominica's story is an inspiration. So, what do you think? Subscribe for more inspiring content, and don't forget to check out the video linked on the end screen to see Dominica's breathtaking scenery for yourself.